Hi students, I am Rajalakshmi from Ernakulam. My YouTube channel is Maths Success On. Now your second year classes are started. I hope that. So I am starting from the chapter Matrices. What is meant by matrices? Matrix is the rectangular arrangement of elements in rows and columns. Plural of matrix is matrices. Matrices are denoted by or name a matrix by capital letters of English letters, and the entries or elements or numbers of the matrix are written inside a square bracket. So matrices are the rectangular array of elements or entries in rows and columns. The order of a matrix is the number of rows and the number of columns are denoted in right side of the matrix as suffix. If m by n, m into n, we wrote this as m into n and we read it m by n. In this, number of rows equal to m and the number of columns equal to n. Matrix is a rectangular array of elements or entries, numbers, then order of rectangular array of elements or entries or numbers in rows and columns. Next one is order of a matrix. If number of rows is m and number of columns n, then order is m by n. We read it as m by m by. Matrices are denoted by capital letters of English letter, and you can write like this: E, matrix E. We can read it as E, matrix E equal to, we write the elements inside the square bracket, equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This 1, 2, 3 is first row and 4, 5, 6 is second row. Columns are 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. Here order is 2 rows and 3 columns. So 2 by 3. First write rows and number of rows and second number of columns. So A equal to matrix 1, 2, 3. Second row 4, 5, 6. Its order is 2 by 3. Another example, matrix A, matrix B. Matrix B equal to 2, 3, 6. Here order is 3 rows and 1 column. So 3 by 1. Order 3 by 1. Another example, C equal to 2, negative 3, 5. Here order is 1 row and 3 columns, 1 by 3. So matrices are noted by capital letters of English alphabets, and the elements are right inside the square bracket. Don't use commas inside the bracket. Then generally, if order of a matrix is m by n, the total number of elements, entries or elements is equal to mn. For example, A equal to matrix 1, 3, negative 4, 0 to 6. Then order is 2 by 3 and total number of elements 2 into 3, which is equal to 6. Matrix of order m by n equal to matrix A11, A12, A13, etc. A1j, etc. A1n, A21, A22, A23, etc. A2j, etc. A2n, etc. AM1, AM2, AM3, AMG, etc. AMN, and therefore A equal to, we can write this as matrix Aij. Here 1 less than or equal to I less than or equal to M, comma 1 less than or equal to J less than or equal to N, where I comma J belongs to capital letter N, natural numbers. So we generally denote a matrix by A equal to matrix Aij. Here I denotes ith row, J denotes jth column. One question: total number of elements of a matrix is 6. Then what may be the order of that matrix? So 1 by 6, 2 by 3, 3 by 2, 6 by 1. You know that 6 factors of 6 is 1 into 6. So 1 by 6 is the order, can be order 2 by 3 or 3 by 2 and 6 by 1. The general form of matrix order 1 by 1 is dash A11. Next question: matrices of order 1 by 2 is matrix A11, A12. Second one 2 by 2. A12, A21, A22. A2 by 3. 2 rows and 3 columns. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. 3 by 3 matrix. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is 3 by 3 matrix. So we can write like this, all these matrices with the general elements. When we get the Aij element, then we can form the matrix. The question is, determine a 3 by 2 matrix. 3 by 2 matrix where Aij equal to I plus J. That is answer. Matrix A equal to 3 by 2, 3 rows, 2 columns. So A11, A12, 3 rows. So A21, A22, A31, A32. This is our matrix 3 by 2. And here we want to find out A11, A11 equal to, we know that Aij equal to I plus J. So A11 equal to, here put I equal to 1 and J equal to 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Put I equal to 1, J equal to 1. And in A12, put I equal to 1, J equal to 2. So 1 plus 2, 3. And A21 equal to 2 plus 1 equal to 3. A22 equal to 2 plus 2 equal to 4. A31 equal to 3 plus 1 equal to 4. A32 equal to 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Therefore, matrix A equal to, can write the elements 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. This is the matrix. So we can find out the matrix when its value of Aij is given, then we can write the matrix. One more example. Aij equal to I plus J whole square by 2. Form matrix of order 2 by 2. So A equal to matrix A11, A12, A21, A22. This is 2 by 2 matrix, isn't it? So Aij equal to I plus j whole square by 2. So A11 equal to, put I equal to 1, j equal to 1. 1 plus 1 whole square by 2. That is 2 square by 2, which is equal to 2. A12 equal to 1 plus 2 whole square by 2. That is 3 square by 2. That is 9 by 2. A21 equal to 2 plus 1 whole square by 2. That is 3 square by 2. Again 9 by 2. And A22 equal to 2 plus 2 whole square by 2. 4 square by 2. That is 16 by 2, which is equal to 8. Therefore, A equal to matrix 2, 9 by 2 and 9 by 2, 8. 2 by 2. Order is 2 by 2. These are the form of making matrix. Next section is, next heading is different types of matrices. Row matrix. Matrix having one row. Example 0, 1, 2. Order is 1 by 3. Column matrix. Matrix having only one column. Example equal to column matrix 3, 4. Order is 2 by 1. A matrix having same number of rows and columns. Example A equal to matrix 3, 4, 5, 6. Here order is 2 by 2. Matrix 11. Only one element, one row and one column, so 1 by 1. In this chapter we want to study up to 3 by 3 matrices. So another one is 3, 0, negative 1, 4, 5, 6, 2, 1, 3. This is 3 by 3 matrix. Next one is diagonal matrix. In a square matrix, if in a square matrix all elements except diagonal elements are 0, then it is called diagonal matrix. If in a square matrix all elements except other than diagonal elements are 0, then it is called a diagonal matrix. This example A equal to matrix 1, 0, 0, 2. This is a 2 by 2 matrix. These are the diagonal, not this one. There are, for a square, there are 2 diagonals. We consider 2 diagonals, but in this only the diagonal elements are from top to bottom. This one, 1, 2 are diagonal elements, and this is 2 by 2 matrix. And another example is 1, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 2. Here diagonal elements are 1, 3, 2. So these elements, this matrix is called a diagonal matrix. Then next one, if we need diagonal matrix, all the diagonal elements are same. All the diagonal elements are same. Then it is called a scalar matrix. So next one is scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix in which diagonal elements are same. Called a scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix in which diagonal elements are same. Example A equal to matrix 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2. Another example, b equal to 1 0 0 1. This is 2 by 2. Then next set is identity matrix. Identity matrix is square matrix which all diagonal elements are 1. A square matrix in which all diagonal elements are 1, other elements are 0. Example, A equal to 1. This is 1 by 1. B equal to 1 0 0 1. This is 2 by 2. And C equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Here is called a I1, I2, I3. Identity matrix of order 1, 2, 3. As I1, I2, I3. This means identity matrix of order 1, order 2, order 3 respectively. I1 means identity matrix of order 1, I2 means identity matrix of order 2, and I3 is identity matrix of order 3. Zero matrix. If in a matrix all elements are 0, it is called zero matrix. The equality of matrices. If two matrices are equal, then 1. Their order should be same. 2. Their corresponding elements are equal. Example, A equal to matrix 1 2 3 4. B equal to 1 2 3 4. Then A equal to B. Order 2 by 2. Here 2 by 2. Questions. Matrix 2 4 3 6 equal to matrix X Y 3 Z. Find X Y Z. Then how will you do this? You can do that. These two matrices are equal, therefore their corresponding elements will be equal. So we compare the first element to first. That is in the first row, first equal to first, second equal to second, and if there is a third element, third equal to third. So compare it and equate it. So here 2 equal to X, and 4 equal to Y, and 6 equal to Z. Therefore X equal to 2, Y equal to 4, and Z equal to 6. Another question is matrix X plus Y 2 5 plus Z XY equal to matrix 0 2 3 8. Find X Y Z. Here we can compare the values. Answer X plus Y. Given matrices are this X plus Y 2 5 plus Z XY equal to 0 2 3 8. So compare the elements. X plus Y equal to 0, 5 plus Z equal to 3. Therefore Z equal to 3 minus 5, which is equal to negative 2. XY equal to 8. X plus Y equal to 6. 6. Change that 6. So X equal to 6 minus Y. So put this into. So we get 6 minus Y into Y equal to 8. Then 6 into Y, 6Y minus Y square equal to 8. That is, you transpose all these terms to right. 8 minus 6y plus y square. That is y square minus 6y plus 8 equal to 0. So we want to factorize this, that is splitting the middle term. Product 8 and the sum negative 6. Therefore numbers are negative 2, negative 4. So y minus 2 into y minus 4 equal to 0. That is y minus 2 equal to 0, 4 equal to 0. So y equal to 2 or y equal to 4. So we get two values for y, 2 and 4. Therefore, we can take this x equal to 6 minus y as 3. Then from 3 we get 3, x equal to 6 minus y. 6 minus 2, that's equal to 4. And x equal to 6 minus 4, which is equal to 2. So what are the values? It's equal to 4, y equal to 2, and x equal to 2, y equal to 4, and z equal to negative 2. These are the values. Okay. So we reach in the first exercise. I gave some examples also. I hope that you understood this. If you like this, please put a comment yes, and please share this to your friends. Click the like button, and if you are watching this for first time, please subscribe it. Okay, thank you.